Welcome back, kitchen aficionados. Today, we delve into the future of blending with our list of the top 5 best blenders in 2025. Imagine a world where smoothies are blended in seconds and sauces reach the perfect consistency with a touch of a button. We explore the cutting-edge technology, sleek designs, and unmatched blending power that define these futuristic kitchen companions. Stick around till the end for an exclusive insider tip on where to find the best deal on our top pick. Get ready to blend your way into a culinary revolution like never before. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Breville Super Q Blender. This isn't just any blender. It's a commercial-grade personal blender that promises to be super quick and super powerful. So, let's dive in and see if it lives up to its promises. First off, let's talk about power. The Super Q is equipped with an impressive 1800-watt motor, which is the highest possible rating for a blender. This, coupled with a blade tip speed of 186 miles per hour under load, ensures that your favorite fruits and vegetables are blended to perfection in a matter of seconds. Imagine the convenience of having your smoothie ready in a flash. One of the standout features of the Super Q is the personal blender attachment. This additional blade system allows you to mix food and drinks directly into your personal blender, making it perfect for those on-the-go mornings. What's more, it features an intelligent base that automatically recognizes the 68 ounces jug or your personal blender and optimizes performance accordingly. Talk about smart technology. The Super Q is also compatible with the Vac Q, a device that removes air from the jug before blending. This innovative feature results in smoother textures, brighter colors, and richer flavors in your blend. It's like having a professional barista right in your kitchen. Please note, the Vac Q is sold separately. The Super Q comes with 5 one-touch programs that cater to a variety of needs. Whether you're in the mood for a silky smoothie, a hearty soup, or even a frozen dessert, this blender has got you covered. It even has a pulse ice crush function that turns ice into snow, perfect for those summer cocktails. With 12 speed settings, the Super Q gives you complete control over the texture of your blend. From natural nut butters to creamy dips, rich sauces, and freshly ground spices, this blender ensures a smooth and soft texture every time. It's like having a personal chef at your fingertips. In conclusion, the Breville Super Q blender is more than just a blender. It's a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly appliance that's perfect for any kitchen. With its range of features, including a personal blender attachment, compatibility with the Vac Q, 5 one-touch programs, and 12 speed settings, it offers great value for money. Plus, it comes with a 10-year limited product warranty, so you can blend with confidence. So, if you're in the market for a new blender, the Super Q is definitely worth considering. Number 4. The Ninja Professional Plus Blender. This isn't just your average blender, it's a powerhouse that can transform your kitchen experience. So, let's get started. The first thing you'll notice about this blender is its more powerful motor. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Compared to Ninja's original professional blender, this one packs a punch with its increased operating wattage. This means you'll get faster, smoother, and more efficient blending every time you use it. But this blender isn't just about blending. The Ninja Professional Plus blender takes it to the next level with its powerful crushing capability. With 1400 peak watts of professional power, this blender gives you perfectly crushed ice for your smoothies and frozen drinks. It's like having a professional barista right in your kitchen. The Ninja Professional Plus blender is a master of versatility. It comes with 3 preset Auto IQ programs that allow you to create a variety of drinks and dishes. Whether you want to make a smoothie, a frozen drink, or extract nutrients from fruits and vegetables, this blender has got you covered. One of the standout features of this blender is its Auto IQ technology. This intelligent feature takes the guesswork out of drink making. It combines unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns that do the work for you. It's like having a personal chef who knows exactly how to make your favorite drinks. And let's not forget about the 72 Oz total crushing pitcher. This large capacity pitcher is perfect for making large batches of your favorite drinks for the whole family. Plus, it comes with 2 24 Oz single-serve cups with spout lids, making it easy to take your delicious, nutrient-rich smoothies on the go. In conclusion, the Ninja Professional Plus blender is more than just a blender. It's a versatile, powerful, and convenient tool that can transform your kitchen experience. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a busy parent, or just someone who loves the convenience of a high-quality blender, the Ninja Professional Plus blender is definitely worth checking out. So what are you waiting for? Start blending. Number 3. The Blendtec Total Blender Classic. This isn't just any blender. It's a professional-grade, feature-packed machine designed to make your life easier. So let's dive in. Firstly, the Blendtec stands out with its user-friendly interface. It features one-touch buttons that control 6 pre-programmed cycles, a pulse option, and a 10-speed manual control. This means you have the flexibility to blend at your own pace and according to your specific needs. Whether you're making a morning smoothie or grinding spices for a dinner party, this blender is up to the task. Moving on to the pre-programmed cycles, this is where the Blendtec really shines. It comes with cycles specifically designed for batters, mixed drinks, smoothies, frozen treats, whole juices, and even hot soup. Imagine the convenience of having a machine that can do all this at the touch of a button. It's like having a personal chef right on your countertop. Size and power are 2 more areas where the Blendtec excels. It comes with a BPA-free 75-ounce volume jar that has a 32-ounce blending capacity for both wet and dry foods. This means you can easily whip up a batch of smoothies or a pot of soup for 3 to 4 people. So, go ahead and invite your friends over for a smoothie party or a soup night. Nobody likes cleaning up after cooking, and the Blendtec understands that. Its easy-to-clean feature is a lifesaver. Simply add hot water and a little dish soap to the jar, blend for a few seconds, and you're done. A quick wipe down of the machine with a wet cloth, and it's as good as new. Finally, the Blendtec is designed to boost your confidence in the kitchen. With its advanced technology and user-friendly features, it makes blending simpler and more effective. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, the Blendtec is the ultimate tool for your culinary creations. So, there you have it, folks. The Blendtec Total Blender Classic is a powerhouse of functionality, convenience, and innovation. It's a game changer that's worth every penny. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen experience, this blender is definitely worth considering. Until next time, happy blending. Number 2. The Vitamix 5200 Professional Grade Blender. This blender has been making waves in the market for its versatility, durability, and high performance. So, let's get started. First up is the variable speed control. This feature is what sets the Vitamix 5200 apart from many other blenders. It allows you to easily adjust the speed to achieve a variety of textures. Whether you're making a smoothie, soup, or grinding grains, the control dial can be rotated at any point during the blend, giving you complete control over your blending process. Next, we have the large batches feature. The self-cleaning 64-ounce container is not only large enough to handle medium to large batches, but also designed with a radial cooling fan and thermal protection system. This means you can blend large quantities without worrying about the machine overheating. One of the unique features of this blender is its ability to create hot soup. The blades in the Vitamix container reach speeds fast enough to create friction heat, bringing cold ingredients to steaming hot in about 6 minutes. Imagine making a hot soup right in your blender. The hardened stainless steel blades are another highlight. These aircraft-grade stainless steel blades are designed to handle the toughest ingredients. So, from the first blend to the last, you get the same quality results. Last but not least is the self-cleaning feature. Cleaning this blender is a breeze. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, your Vitamix machine can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. No more tedious scrubbing. In conclusion, the Vitamix 5200 Professional Grade Blender is a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-clean appliance that's worth considering. It comes with a 7-year full warranty and includes a motor base, a 64 ounces container, a tamper, and a getting started guide in the box. This blender is a great investment for those who love cooking and want to make their kitchen tasks easier. Number 1. The Vitamix 7500 Blender. This isn't just any blender. It's a culinary powerhouse packed with features that will take your cooking experience to the next level. So without further ado, let's dive in. First on our list is the variable speed control. This feature is a game changer. With 10 variable speeds at your disposal, you have the power to refine every texture with culinary precision. Whether you're making a velvety smooth puree or a hearty soup, this blender gives you the control you need. It's like having a personal chef right in your kitchen. Next, we have have the pulse feature. This is where the Vitamix 7500 really shines. The pulse feature allows you to layer coarse chops over smooth purees, opening up a world of possibilities for heartier recipes. Think chunky salsas, thick vegetable soups, and more. The sky's the limit. Moving on to the low-profile 64-ounce container. This feature is perfect for those who love to entertain or have large families. The container is large enough to handle family meals and entertaining, yet it's designed to fit comfortably under most kitchen cabinets. No more struggling with storage or countertop space. Now let's talk about the hardened stainless steel blades. These aren't your average blender blades. They're made from aircraft-grade stainless steel, designed to handle the toughest ingredients. From the first blend to the last, you can count on these blades to deliver consistent quality results. Plus, with a radial cooling fan and thermal protection system, you can blend with confidence knowing your machine is protected. Lastly, but certainly not least, the self-cleaning feature. This is a feature that will make your life so much easier. Just add a drop of dish soap and some warm water, and your Vitamix machine can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. No more tedious scrubbing or disassembling parts. It's convenience at its finest, so there you have it, folks. The Vitamix 7500 blender is more than just a blender. It's a game changer for your kitchen. With its powerful features and user-friendly design, it's sure to become your new favorite kitchen appliance. As we wrap up our journey through the realm of blending excellence, remember, a good blender isn't just a kitchen appliance. It's a culinary companion that elevates your cooking experience. The best blender isn't merely about power. It's about precision, durability, and innovation. So whether you're whipping up morning smoothies or experimenting with gourmet sauces, choose a blender that caters to your every blending need. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling exploration of the top 5 best blenders in 2024. Until next time, happy blending, and may your culinary creations be as sensational as the blending journey itself. Hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our percektivepicks Palace family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.